Now we're going to talk about solving linear inequality. So we're going to differentiate first linear equation, linear inequality, and algebraic expression. So this is an example of an algebraic expression. So if you could see, the difference between the three is algebraic expression doesn't have relational symbol. So it doesn't have equal sign or greater than, less than sign. So it is an algebraic expression. So if it has equal sign, it is already an equation. So it's an equation. It means that there is an equal sign, equate, equal. So inequality, it means that it is not equal. So if it is not equal, the correlational symbol or the relational symbols are greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal, or not equal, and others. So these are the relational symbol if it is inequality. So in solving inequality, you're going to identify the value of x that would make the statement true. So if in this example, if x is equals to 1, so if x rather is equal to 2, so ang x, palitan mo ng 2, so 2 plus 1 is greater than 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3, is greater than 2. Is it true or false? So, true or false? It is true kasi ang 3 ay mas malaki sa 2. What if x is equals to 5? So, 5 plus 1, is it greater than 2? 5 plus 1, 6. Is it greater than 2? True or false? True. So, it is true for 2, it is true for 5, and actually, there are many values of x. Pwede 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, in this one, sa equation, there could only be 1 or 2 or 3 value. May limit yung value. However, for linear equation, it is usually the answers are range. So, it could be from 2 to infinity. So there are many values of x. Usually there are many values of x. For example, let's solve for number 1. This is number 1, x plus 1 is greater than 2. So x plus 1 is greater than 2. So to solve this algebraically, so ganito ang gagawin. Just like in solving it in equation, linear equation, you're going to solve it also using the different properties. So dito, pwede ka mag-transpose. So kapag ang positive 1, you could transpose it to the other side. So ang 2, positive 1 magiging negative 1. Lahat ng may x dito sa left side, lahat ng walang x usually on the right side. Or pwede mong i-interchange as long as ipagtabi mo yung may x, ipagtabi mo rin yung walang x. So x now is greater than 1. So, ibig sabihin, ang possible values of x should be greater than 1. Pwede ang 1.1 kasi ang 1.1 is mas malaki sa x. So, as long as yung number is greater than 1, so it could make this statement or inequality true rather. So, 2x plus 3 is less than 4. So, transpose mo yung 3 kasi wala siyang x, so magiging negative 3. Ang positive magiging negative kapag ilipat or i-transpose. So 2x should be greater than 1. So divide both sides by 2. Cancel mo. You divide it by the number na katabi. Mag-divide ka lang kapag ang number is katabi niya and there is no plus or minus. So x now would be greater or less than 1/2. Let us check. What are those numbers less than 1/2? Let x be negative 1. Diba ang negative 1 is less than 1/2? So 2 times negative 1 plus 3 should be less than 4. So negative 2 plus 3. So positive 1. Is it less than 4? True or false? It's true. What if this one? Number 3, 4x is greater than or equal to 3 plus 5x. So 4x greater than less than 3 plus 5x. So, ilipat mo si 5x kasi meron siyang x. So, 4x minus 5x. Ang plus 5x nagiging negative. Less than or equal to 3. So, less than or greater than rather or equal to 3 next. Minus negative 1x. 4 minus 5 is negative 1x greater than or equal to 3. Divide both sides by negative 1 negative 1. So the answer, cancel. Kapag mag-divide ka, or kapag mag-multiply ka ng negative, the relational symbol will change to its opposite. So dito, it is greater than, magiging less than. So again, kapag mag-divide kang ng negative, ito siya, it's magiging, mag-change siya to its opposite. So ang greater than, magiging less than or equal to negative 3. 3 divided by negative 1 is negative 3. So check, let us check. So what are those numbers that are less than or equal to negative 3? So we'll have yung mas maliit daw sa negative 3. So let's have negative 5. 4 times negative 5 greater than or equal 3 plus negative 5. So 4 times negative 5 or 5, kulang pala ng 5. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Dito naman sa kabila, 3 plus negative 25. 3 plus negative 25 is negative 22. So it's negative 20 greater than or less than or equal to negative 22. True or false? True. So that's how you're going to solve linear inequality.